As you can see, I've picked another lovely day. Well, evening actually. It's evening now. I'm going up to Rhiwargor Waterfall today. It's not very far from where I've parked at the car park there. So yeah, just a quick video today. I thought I'd show you a waterfall. Not as famous perhaps as the Rhiwargor Waterfall, which is epic, don't get me wrong. But yeah, I thought I'd come here and do this one today. This lovely stream. I am using the Komoot app just to try it out really, but it needs signal and I don't have any. But I'm pretty sure we just follow the river up. It's not very confusing. Sun's trying to come through, not really managing it. Well, there we go, our first view of the waterfall. Very wet. Wet all day. Someone's left their umbrellas. I have a feeling that this is easier to cross when it hasn't been raining so much. I'm not sure if I'm going to bother, actually. What's it like? Rocks aren't overly slippy. It's a long way across though. I can't see a very easy route. Here's the bottom of Rhiwargor Waterfall. There's the top. So far, they're all fairly secure. But this water's quite deep in places. Okay, so somehow I managed to get that onto time lapse and I'm getting these eaten alive, but it looks so far so good really. Not so bad so far. So yeah, we'll make it across quite easily. There's midges in the middle there eating on me whilst I was trying to fix the filming mode on the GoPro. Look at that. Nice pool there. Right. It's a bit muddier on this side. More of a scramble, but look, worth it seeing that. Fair play. That looks like a deep one. Nice. It is quite muddy from this point on. I'm going to go a little bit higher, not too far upstream because it's only supposed to be a short one, this one. Yeah, I'm not going to scramble up the rest of it. So yeah, this is Rhiwargor Falls, and lovely place to maybe come on a hot day with excellent areas to get in. But how deep is that now? That looks pretty deep. Nice, less dangerous than Rhiwargor Waterfall. I mean, except for being at the bottom of it, I don't know where else you put yourself on that one. But here you've got what looks like lots of little pools on the way down, and they are deep. so you could have a proper swim. This one looks especially good actually. Harder to get down to though, maybe. Unless you fell, obviously. Yeah, maybe from that side. Right, the way we're going to go back is slightly different. So we came down this side of the valley and round this path here. I'm going to go through that gate there that you can see and follow that road down. Just for a bit of a different scenery on the way back, really. Yeah, only a short one today. Just having a bit of a just having a bit of a trek. I just thought this would be a nice quick easy one to bash out on a weeknight. And I wanted you to see it. Trying to avoid this big boggy bit here. Looks like that. Some people haven't avoided it. Right. Don't often see those on just rocks. Oh, there we go. This is the best one, I think. We can duck in here. Look at this. Yeah, that's where I'd splash a boot. Lovely. I'm not going to today though. I mean, I am warm in this waterproof because it is warm, but not. I haven't got any means of drying off. Right, time to try and get across here again. Going to try a different route. Oh god, that one wobbles quite a bit. We're okay there. Yep, we're on there. They are, some of these are a bit wibbly wobbly, but that's okay. Right, I reckon this one down here. It's kind of awkward with one hand, but we're not doing too badly here now. Woo! That one moves. Oh, right. Let's just go. Whoop, whoop. There we go. Nice. Whew. Let's head back. Bye bye, Rhiwargor Waterfall. And because the weather's pretty rubbish, I've got it all to myself. On a sunny day, I wouldn't expect that. Just as I arrived, there was a lady and gentleman and a dog. They've gone now. Come on, way. There we go. Good. Right. Yes. Head back this way. I think you can go that way, but I've seen this bridge. I'm going to go this way. And we're practically back. Like I say, this is just a very short one today. So thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Probably see you in another one. Bye! That looks deep as well, doesn't it?